Yo, yo.
Very.
So guys,
with
the light. Happy Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, guys, from this side. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the Box Official. So they're just like wearing some good things here, guys. You see, in God's grace, guys, I finally did it, guys. I look fine, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for joining again my YouTube channel. Please consider subscribe, like, and share. I'll be much appreciated. This is a boy look, guys. Today so just simple one, you know. Happy Merry Christmas. So from down, yeah, you can read it from here, guys. Only God can, guys. I'm wearing only God can because it's so. It is another amazing day, guys. Today, Happy Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, guys, to everybody, to my family there. Let's see how the day goes.
It's Abir on the track. XLK Records.
Leo Yesu kazaliwa, Leo Yesu kazaliwa, Leo Yesu kazaliwa, Leo Yesu kazaliwa. Leo tuna party after party, mikate na chapati, kila kitu kwa wakati. Top up the day, God bless the day. Nanya napenda watoto, Nanya napenda watoto. Ni Yesu. Happy Merry Christmas, 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 Happy Merry.
Big discussion here, guys.
Yeah, 17 or 16.
Yeah, 16 is probably like so guys, it's all the process continue here. Happy Merry Christmas to everybody there. So guys, I'm about to go to the moving time, guys. So let's see everybody enjoying over here, guys. Happy Merry Christmas.
Happy Merry Christmas.
Dinner.
Happy Merry Christmas.
Happy Merry Christmas, guys. So I think it's time to move out, guys, and move around. Let's see how the other side looks like, guys. So this is my outfit, guys. I'm gonna be outside right now, moving around. So I love you guys.
Christmas, Happy Merry Christmas. Wanted to for Christmas, enjoy your holiday. Today the special day. Mungu Baba umeletwa duniani, nasi leo tupate amani. Nasema kwa imani, is me amani. Mwaka ujao uwe ni mwaka wa amani, amani, imani. Nani anapenda watoto, Nani anapenda watoto. Ni Yesu, ni Yesu. Happy Merry Christmas, 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 Happy Merry Christmas.
Kama tuko bongo mani,
Kama tuko Bongoma, nigga. Kama tuko Bongoma. I'm currently right now in town, guys. My town, looking at the vibe because everywhere, guys, can see the boys moving like yo, you know, whatever, guys. It's Christmas time. You see that? Wow, kama tuko Bongoma, kama tuko Christmas. Let's go.
It's a bit on the track. XLK Records.
Leo Yesu kazaliwa, Leo Yesu kazaliwa, Leo Yesu kazaliwa, Leo Yesu kazaliwa. Leo tuna party after party, mikate na chapati, kila kitu kwa wakati. Top up the day.
So guys, you can see even here, guys, we just like partying a lot here, just moving around, you know, whatever, guys. So we just wanna be happy, guys. Today is a Christmas day, so I just
God play the day. Nanya napenda watoto, Nanya napenda watoto.
Yesu, Yesu. Happy Merry Christmas, Happy Merry Christmas, Happy.
also the young one got job by you guys, so you can feel like the good is closing, yeah. So guys, it's Christmas time, guys. No, just come over here, guys. Just like eating the vibe, a little vibe from here, guys. On this side, so I'm just like taking a soda right now here. So as we keep on seeing what things go, how things goes, you know. That's what is happening right now here. So just like you can see, just a simple and now everything is just vibe, man. Just vibe here. So you just want to check some soda here, so we keep on going, you know. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Happy 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 Merry Christmas,
Happy Merry Christmas. Wanted to for Christmas, enjoy your holiday. Today's a special day. Mungu Baba umeletwa duniani, nasi leo tupate amani. Nasema kwa imani, is me amani. Mwaka ujao uwe ni mwaka wa amani, amani, imani. Nanya napenda watoto, Nanya napenda watoto.
Yesu, Yesu. Happy Merry Christmas, 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 Happy Merry Christmas.
Peace again from this one.
Hola, ole, ile, ale, we gon' be alright. Let's celebrate now, cause we're still alive. I don't need your negativity, I just wanna on my property. I don't need your negativity, I just wanna on my property. My sister Bella, dancing shokoko. My brother Benna, shake your blangata, ta, celebrate, 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 celebrate. More thing Celebrate the small thing. It's better than the nothing. Yeah, yeah. I don't do like them. Dance shoko shoko. My body dance like them. Dance poco loco. I don't do like them. Dance shoko shoko. My body dance like them. Dance poco loco, poco loco. Soja go, soja come. We still the dance. Soja go, soja come. We still the party. Celebrate, celebrate. Celebrate, celebrate. Celebrate, celebrate. Celebrate, celebrate. Celebrate.
So the guys, I just finished the cradle side. This is our side. It's a camp which you can see. Which I will tell you guys, but you know, I'm not ready to see him, guys. I'm not ready to see him. Just take out soda, which is 180 from this side, but it is outside, guys. From our side of Kakuma, guys, is like 70 bob. Guys, imagine it's very expensive.
Baby, make a lona. Medi, my malona.
Just like eating the vibe today, guys. It's Christmas, guys. We enjoy a lot, so I'm just here like eating the vibe, guys, with my friends, with the farm here. You know, we all one, guys. We all family, so just like celebrating together, guys. Here. Sorry. We just urinate together, guys. Different country, different people from other side, other side. So just come to enjoy together here in Nairobi. Not Nairobi. The man is still in Nairobi, guys. Maybe I'll be back soon over there. So because we are here in nearly Kakuma Refugee camp, but this is a little far, guys. A 30 minutes or 40 minutes from here. So just come to enjoy the vibe of Christmas, guys. Here together. Look out the swimming pool, guys. Is full, guys. And I was been here with BT's the last year thing. The last year we've been here, we enjoy, and today we decided to come, guys. Also to have the vibe and enjoy celebrating, guys, together here. What a beautiful day, man. Look at that, you can tell how it is right now. So guys, yeah, still enjoying, guys. Yeah, still enjoying my farm. Yeah, still enjoying. Peace and love, guys. So guys, right now it's time to leave, guys. Time to leave, enjoy ourselves here, guys. So guys, so it is amazing, guys. We just having some fun, guys. Guess how it is here. So a lot of us come here, guys, to celebrate ourselves Christmas Day. So just come going back at this noon time, guys. I think it's gonna take 40 minutes to be back on Kakuma Refugee camp, man. So I'm here with my brother Dijuma, which is going to take me, guys. So let's go to Kakuma. Are you ready? Hey Diju. Ready? So guys, that's my brother ready. So this is a cradle, guys, where you can find a swimming pool, guys, and all the vibe here in K-Town. Kakuma Refugee camp is nearly Kakuma, I guess so, guys, but not that nearly Kakuma camps. So it's very far, guys, a bit from Kakuma camp, guys. It's like near Kakuma town, but also far a bit, guys. So it is what it is. It is what it is. And this is how today's my outfit, guys. So I hope you guys see it how it is, man. So the outfit go like this.
Official, guys.
So guys, that is it, man. That is it. So just gonna vibe like that. Just wanna go back. Happy Merry Christmas, guys, again. Happy Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, guys. Another. Let's catch up on the next day, man. Listen, come on, that's about the vibe, man, you know? All about the vibe, guys. Happy Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Spoken for this one.
Hivi mapenzi ndo chanzo wa manini? Maisha mapenzi jamani siamini. Maisha magumu nabaki kuwa chini. Nakosa pesa kimenitokea nini? Mapenzi utapeli, ukishazama utafeli. Amini ukweli, ni mwenzenu lifeli. Kwa sasa roho yangu haijatulia. Mapenzi alinifunza navumilia. Sitochoka kutafutana, kwa mapenzi nachepuka. Kushinda napiga gita, mawazo yakinishika. Hisia zinanivuta, nawaza yalonikuta. Mwenza kuwa kinyoa cha kutia maji. Maisha zungumkuti ipo kama maji. Inakwenda unavyoishika, angalia po unavyoshika. Sasa amuzi mwenyewe, sasa amua mwenyewe, sasa ni wewe mwenyewe, sasa no. Ayo, ayo, yasikuzeshe mapema yo. Ayo, yashanitesa mapenzi ayo. Chambua, uchungwa pilipili unaujua. Tambua, sumu kwa chakula unajiua. Sio kila mtu anapenda, popote unapokwenda. Uko nyuma tulipendwa, mwisho siku tukatendwa. Kwa sasa roho yangu haijatulia. Mapenzi alinifunza navumilia. Sitochoka kutafutana, kwa mapenzi nachepuka. Kushinda napiga gita, mawazo yakinishika. Hisia zinanivuta, nawaza yalonikuta. Mwenza kuwa kinyoa cha kutia maji. Maisha zungumkuti ipo kama maji. Inakwenda unavyoishika, angalia po unavyoshika. Sasa amuzi mwenyewe, sasa amua mwenyewe, sasa ni wewe mwenyewe, sasa no.
It's Abir on the track.
XLK Records. Leo Yesu kazaliwa, Leo Yesu kazaliwa. Leo Yesu kazaliwa, Leo Yesu kazaliwa. Leo tuna party after party. Mikate na chapati, kila kitu kwa wakati. God bless the day, God bless the day. Nani anapenda watoto? Nani anapenda watoto?
Ni Yesu. Happy Merry Christmas. Happy Merry Christmas.
So happy Merry Christmas to everybody there. I love you, fam. Peace and love. I just want to say thank you so much for being there for me. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, guys. I much appreciate. Happy Merry Christmas. Let's celebrate all these weeks up to Happy New Year. All gonna be a vibe, guys. Thank you so much for being there for me. I did some of stuff that I didn't capture, but morning also I've been going to capture because this a lot all the way to continue, guys. Thank you so much, guys. I deeply appreciate it. May God bless you so much. Bye.